Hello class, my name is Hannah Bastos. I'm 28 years old and I'm here to share my biggest passion in life, that is childcare. Since very young, I've been always passionate about children. This is a picture of me in my 5-year birthday, trying to pick up 2-year-old up in my arms. Well, this passion was back then just about copying my mom and taking care of babies and, things that girls usually like to do. But it wasn't until my high school that I decided to pursue early childhood development as a career, that I understood the real value of childcare and how we can actually change the world if we want to. In my high school years, I decided to take classes towards early childhood development degree. So in Brazil, we had this program that would prepare me to be a teacher as soon as I was done with school. And teacher to teach early childhood development, children ages 0 to 5. So this is a picture of me in my high school years. And after I finally finished my high school years, everything made sense to me. All the struggle I always had in school before then, I understood that it wasn't really there was something wrong with me. It was just that I didn't find the people I needed to give me the support that I really needed to achieve the things I was being asked to achieve. And so I decided to become a teacher. I worked at the NGO More Project in Brazil, and this is a picture helping children from the slums. And after that, I worked as an assistant teacher in a bilingual school called Maple Bear, where I was able to put my English in practice and kind of improve my English. And that's when I decided that I should do an exchange program to improve my English. And then I moved to America for the au pair program, and I lived with a family and cared for 2 little girls. And that's where I learned about positive parenting and positive discipline, which are huge in childcare. It's really a positive guidance to children development. After that, I also volunteered in church with the nursery. I got a job as a nanny, taking care of these 3 boys right here. And I would also, on the weekends, babysit any child that was available. My passion with children is much more than a career. It truly is the possibility to change the world for the best. Thank you for watching.